What is up, Epoxy World? I'm Mike Quist. This is Stone Coat Countertops. We are Epoxy Live. This is a masterclass where we teach you step by step how to make something cool. What are we gonna make? I don't know. I got some ingredients. I never know where these masterclasses are gonna go. It depends on your comments below. Stay tuned. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, get out your notepad. We're about to get some pro tips, some unlocks, some tips and tricks. Again, I'm Mike Quist. Let's get started. I got epoxy right here. I got Stone Coat Epoxy. Why is Stone Coat Epoxy important? It is designed for countertops, tabletops, desktops, floors, shower walls, and more. It's designed for those spaces in your home that really matter to you. You can literally match any decor, whether it's your curtains or your wall color. It doesn't matter what your palette is. We have an earth tone palette tonight, and I'm gonna go some old school techniques. We get asked all the time, hey, do some old school techniques where you use a paint stick. This is gonna be my paintbrush tonight. We're gonna have fun with it. Tonight, I'm mainly gonna use some spray paints. I got copper spray paint, dark bronze, I got black and white. I'm going with some fire orange, okay? And then we got some white and black epoxy dye, as well as some brown opaque epoxy dye. I'm gonna use our art coat because I'm going over a light piece. And the first thing I'm gonna do is add just a little color to my edges. And if you really wanted to, you could put a little bit and then just rub it that way too. Watch, I'll just fire on some there and then rub it out. That looks kind of neat.
Just the backdrop too, those epoxy.
Exactly.
Right over.
Just putting a little bit of white on that edge too.
Many condolences about pops, which is very nice. Thank you.
Oh, thank you guys. Thank you. God bless you. All right, let's do this. All right, so I'm going to start with part B first. The reason I start with part B, it's actually a thinner viscosity, okay? I've already sanded with 220 grit. I wiped the dust, I sprayed my edges, and I'm just gonna go old school on this. I'm just gonna trowel some stuff out and see what we can do here. We passed a really fun milestone. We got to over 700,000 subscribers recently. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. And if you haven't, do that. Ring the bell, get notified when we have new videos, help support us. We're a small company right here in Oregon. We now have over 30 employees that we employ full-time. We're really proud of our company, and subscribing to our channel will help us in that race we want to be the first epoxy-based channel to 1 million subscribers, and we're well on our way. So help us out. So this is how you tint with spray paint. I just sprayed a bunch of spray paint in there, and then you mix it. And this is a hammered spray paint, or no, it's a metallic spray paint, and it will actually give you a lot of selling. Like, look, watch what happens if I just put a little bit in that white and then mix that. It gives you just beautiful looks right off the bat, and vice versa if you go white and brown. Look at what that does. I like that brown. You see that brown, Mitch, where I just barely put, any brown in it.
Can you put real stone in the epoxy, and is there anything you need to do?
Yeah, man, we just put real stone in a geode table, and you gotta seal those stones unless they're already non-porous. So if you got river rock like we did in a recent video, you simply need to do a seal coat first. Man, look at this. Look at this just with your hands. Look at what that's starting to do. So I'm just going, horizontal here. I always tend to go long ways. It's just a natural habit. I go long ways with the piece. All I'm doing is just adding a little bit of white into some of this black. What I like about this is the big white spot.
Yeah.
You know, I didn't really mix everything that much. Kind of like that.